Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. I'm not ashamed to say, I hope it always will stay this way. My hat is off, won't you stand up and take a bow? And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, then you would see the biggest gift would be for me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend.
Welcome to Scrapbook with Tea.
When I'm all in business.
Exactly, there you go.
Good morning and welcome. I'm Teresa. This is my partner Bonnie, and we're from Scrapbook with Tea, and we are here to introduce Mintay. It's a paper company from Poland, and we weren't sure first when we got it if we were really going to like it, but I'm going to tell you, we don't like it, we love it. So this is our first video, is going to show you what we've got in store for you, and we're starting out with layouts. So you can kind of see what we've come up with in our layout design, and we're just going to show you a little bit here. And they're pretty simple, but yet elegant. The paper sells itself. It's beautiful, it's versatile, and oh my, they give you more than enough to work with. And you just add in your little bit of embellishments, and you've got creation, like you've got beautiful creations done. Like absolutely amazing. We're just going to kind of go through and show you a little bit what's available in the paper pack. You get, which I think this is absolutely fabulous and smart. On the front cover, you see it gives you the detail of what you get. You get 2 papers of each of the 12 collection, correct? And one bonus sheet. And I really feel that these guys hit it on the head for the bonus sheet, because what do you do with your front cover? I use it to stamp on when I'm doing my classes or to glue on. No, these guys were way smarter, and look what they've given us. A lot of goodness. A lot of goodness. So this is what the bonus sheet is. It's on the front cover of your paper, and then you're working with all these lovely papers. Get some beautiful flowers, turn it over, and then you get some beautiful, this reminds me of marble or bark, whatever. Like, I mean, it just accents all together. And these are just amazing. Just stunning. Like, you can just build from it. Giving you the opportunity just to take your cut aparts and then accenting them, 3D'ing them. And when you're 3D'ing them, this is what you're getting. A lot of beautiful. A lot of beautiful. I can't say it enough how much we have loved the Mintay collections. So not only in our Mintay collections are we doing the layout sheets, we are also doing the cards. And I mean, the cards are just as beautiful as the layout sheets. Like, they are all built the same way. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now, wouldn't you just love sending that to a friend, you know? It just would make their day, make them happy. A little suggestion I can give you in the card, if you ever want to give a card, because when I personally give a card, I always do it so they can forward their card. So you could put a sticky note in it so that the sticky note comes out, so then you can forward that card ahead. Or be like I was when I first started card making 14 years ago. I kept every card, every last card. I hate to tell you. Sometimes you got to purge a little bit because you can't keep every card. The layouts come with full instruction sheets, how you're going to cut, what you're going to cut, where, and how it's done. It's pretty straightforward. We've tried to make it as simple as possible because we want you to have more time to build more and buy more of this wonderful, wonderful collections. This is Bloomville. It's absolutely amazingville because I love it. Like, look at all the detail. Look at all the flowers. Look at all the fun. Could be for spring. It could be into the later into the summer. It could be like as if you went out biking or if you went to the farmer's market. It's accessible to anything, and the colors are just spectacular. Again, and this is our card collection to this, but look how beautiful these cards are. And as I look at these cards, and even when we were making the cards, I have to say you do make me smile. You really truly do, and I think this is just a wonderful collection of cards. It's like jump on in. It's like Easter. Look at this beautiful layout. It's created with love and content for that little Easter hunt. Imagine putting all those little kids' pictures right here after they found all of their Lemmy chocolate. By the way, the name of this is
Beauty and Bloom.
Thank you.
It's Secret Place from Mintay. Nicole designed this one. She's my daughter. We did a lot of pop-up on the pages and added the embellishments and flowers.
It just makes me want to go to a farm. It really does. It's just so spectacular. Here's another collection that we have for you. It is called Farm Life. Bright, bold, beautiful colors. The red just really makes it pop on this collection. Adding in the teal. Just check out these animals. They are spectacular. All these little animals in here. It just really makes you feel like you're in a farmer's yard. It truly. Love letters. For that little special someone. This could be very versatile. You could use it at any time of the year. It doesn't necessarily need to be, because when you hear love, a lot of people associate Valentine's. I just feel that this is just an anytime, very versatile. Could go in that beautiful
Vintage ancestry.
Family album.
Thank you.
Heritage.
Yes.
Whatever. Yeah.
Yes, and that's, the more I look at this, the more that's what came into mind for me, especially when you look at these little vintage hearts. This collection is called Dear Diary, and anyone that knows me knows how much I love pink, and the pinks and the browns and the vanillas in this just really, really jump out. It's absolutely breathtaking. I love it. It gives you a little bit outdoors in it, but it's just reminds you of the when you've got the lights lit and in the summertime, how they just glow in your backyard. It's just beautiful. This is another collection that we have, and it's called Birdsong. And I think this collection just tells you itself. The colors are fabulous. They all go together. This could be used for anything. You know, with a lot of these layouts, you could change them up. And what do I mean by changing them up? You could take this simple piece of art, you could put it into a frame, you could hang it on your wall. That is how beautiful any of these collections that we have showed you today. If you wanted to do like an artwork on your wall, you could easily take this and this could be your artwork. I just absolutely love these colors, and it just, you know, refreshes you, and it just could change up, and especially with the old barnwood in here, it's just absolutely beautiful. And with that said, in this collection, we've got a beautiful set of cards that we have that have been made from it as well. And again, we didn't stick to the standard size, and it's just, they're just remarkable. How stunning of a card. How beautiful would this be to give to someone special? Just to tell them, enjoy your day. Just a heartfelt thanks. And you know what? I have to say, we truly are having a time to celebrate, because we at Scrappin' with Tea, we are trying our best to get some original, some very vintage style product out to you. And I have to say that Mintay has really come through for us, and it's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I can't say enough. Collection we thought we'd just explain a little bit more. This is Tiny Miracle, and as you can see, this is a cut apart page, and it's got lots of elements in it that we can cut apart and that we can add, that we can accent, that we can 3D, that we can layer with. It just makes a stunning layout once you get your elements cut out and decide kind of where you want to place them and what you want to do. And what we've come up with is this. And I just think it is absolutely simply elegant. What a beautiful gift you could make for somebody that has just had a new baby, or if it's something you want to put in your own album. It's just absolutely stunning. It can be very versatile. It's not just for a pink baby. It could be for a blue baby. It could be either or. It's very, very versatile. The collection kit, Tiny Miracles, and we're just showing you an example of how you can make these into these beautiful cards. They're not just your standard card, they're a little bit out of the way cards. Just giving you another change up of how you can take something so simple and make it so elegant for that outstanding new mom, or for even a mom that's had another one. With this special collection, we've actually done a video so that you can see how you can put together something as simple as this.